Welcome to this video where I'm going to talk you through one of the features of the new OnePlus Watch 3. Here it is, and it's a really nice watch. If you want to see a breakdown, the review of the different features, then obviously there's plenty of videos out there. In these videos, this video series, I'm going to break down some of the individual features. I've just got it, what am I doing in the first 24 hours, what am I doing in the first week, what am I doing after the first month. So the first thing is you'll probably want to do is to change the watch face. Now, if you download the app and connect to your phone, you will be able to change the watch app from there. What I realized after a little while, probably a couple of hours, you can change the watch face from the phone, from the watch, which obviously makes sense. So to do this, you simply hold down the middle, and then you can use the crown at the top to scroll through the various different watch faces. It's quite a nice little action there with the turn at the top. And then you can obviously add new ones if you want to. Now, another feature is this button down the bottom here, which allows you to edit the watch face. So if I click here, the first thing I can do is scroll through the various colors. So this makes the watch face quite interesting because you might get bored of it, but you might like the watch face. So you can just simply change the color scheme. Some of them are quite garish, some of them are quite crazy, but you can do that. You'll also notice at the bottom there is another dot underneath the word color. And if you scroll or swipe to the right, you can actually on this one change the feature at the top. So in here it says complications, which sounds horrendous, but basically you hold the little circle at the top and then you can choose which feature is available on that watch face. And I've got it set to timers, but you can check and change it to any of these following features. So for example, if you often go outdoor skiing or snowboarding, you could set it to that, and that feature is then available. To go back, simply click the crown button, and there you go. So, really easy way there to change your watch faces, add new watch faces, change the color on them, and also change the complications, as they're called, the feature that appears on the watch face. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.